Okay, so let's talk about the number one manifesting technique to manifest big stuff. I mean, like the life changing stuff, not no little stuff. I would suggest y'all save this video for later because, yeah, life changing information coming right now. It's loading. Y'all, it's scripting. And I'm pretty sure y'all have already heard of what scripting is, but I'm going to break down like my scripting technique and how I use it anytime I'm trying to manifest something life changing in my life. This is how I do it, and it works every time. So, first off, before you even start scripting, especially if it's for something big in your life, I would suggest getting clear on exactly what it is that you want. And I know this sounds obvious, but a lot of people aren't really sure what they want. They just know a vague sense of it. So, like, if you're wanting financial security, I don't need you to just want financial security or wealth. You need to know, how much money do you want to make monthly, yearly? What type of things do you want that money to be able to bring to you or experiences? If you're wanting a new relationship, then you don't need to just be vague and say you want a new relationship. What type of relationship? How does it make you feel? What type of person are you with? Who, what, when, where, why. This is the time to get specific. Once you're sure of what it is that you're wanting, again, I want to remind you, I'm referring to bigger things when it comes to this. So, this scripting method is something that I used when I was trying to move me and my family from Texas to Florida. I had nothing, I had no way of moving us here, no money, no resources, no family that lived in Florida, nobody I can live with. I use scripting to do it. And this also works really well for the beginning of the year. I love to use it at the beginning of the year to like manifest the year that I want, also at the beginning of the month. So, yeah, do what you need with this method. So, you want to write out a long scripting of, your life in that future that you're trying to manifest. So, in my example, when I was trying to move here to Florida from Texas, that entry sounded something like, we finally got moved to Florida and I love it here. The weather has been beautiful since the day that we came. And I am so grateful that we made this decision. It has literally been magical since I've gotten to this place. Me and the kids went to the beach yesterday and we were able to sit out in the sun and enjoy it. I remember dreaming of going to the beach and now I live 5 minutes away from it. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm putting myself in that future. It's important to be very specific in this step. Make sure you're especially writing out how you feel. How does it make you feel? I am grateful. I am excited. I am happy. I am joyful. Emotion is the most important part. And the next step, you're not going to just stop with this scripting entry. Now, moving forward, every day you need to take out some time to script about this future life, this future self. It does not have to be as long as that first scripting, but you need to write something. Just jot down a little journal entry of a day in your future life, just like you would do a regular journal entry. An example of what I used to do, I would make up a day, today we went to the beach. It was so beautiful. Today we were able to relax outside and go play. Today I was able, little stuff like that. Think of things that you would be doing in that life and start journaling about it every day. Y'all, this method is like visualizing. And it's like forcing yourself to visualize about this every day. And visualizing is one of the strongest ways to manifest in the quickest ways. Scripting is great for people that are not great at visualizing. If you do this technique when you have something big you're trying to manifest, I would put money on it right now. I promise it's going to manifest. Just do what I just said. It works. It works, trust me. Happy manifesting.